JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Inplay STX240 Combo, 4-in-1, Keyboard, Mouse, Headphone, and Mousepad. Unboxing. Keyboard, compatible with USB 2.0 and 3.0 interfaces. RGB light effect. A key to turn on and off the backlight. Suspended game keycap, 104 keys. Mouse, compatible with USB 2.0 and 3.0 interfaces. RGB light effect, 120 dpi, 3 keys. Headphone, compatible with USB 2.0 and 3.0 interfaces. Stereo surround sound. Skin-friendly earmuffs. High-sensitivity microphone. Adaptive comfort headgear. Package contents: keyboard, mouse, and mousepad. Headphone. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.